Hi there, so Sergeant Matt Gransden from Hampshire Police Marine Unit. We're down at Seaworks this year with the ultimate boat that we're purchasing very shortly. It's a T class, so a tactical class 11-metre interception boat, designed to take 2 crew and 10 passengers. We've got Raymarine kit on board. And we've had it for the last week now on test. Early indications at the moment, the kit is really user-friendly. It's very easy to navigate through, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the imaging on it and the quality of the kit subsurface as well.